Welcome to Cafe 48. In today's video, we are diving into the world of delicious fish fry using the incredible grill pan. In this video, we'll be using the Lily brand's pre-seasoned cast iron grill pan. So let's get started and discover the art of creating a perfectly crispy and flavorful fish fry in our Lily grill pan. With its 10.5-inch size, double-handle design and 3.4 kg weight, this griddle delivers exceptional performance and can withstand high temperatures. Introducing another exciting product from Lily, the cast iron pre-seasoned appam tawa with lid. This high-quality cast iron tawa is perfect for cooking authentic appams. Purchase link and video link on description. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for more exciting content from Cafe 48. We look forward to sharing another amazing video with you soon.